how to delete booking history on Agoda. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you delete booking history on Agoda. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you will have to open the Agoda app. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the Agoda app, you will get such interface on your device. So from the home page, you'll have to go the options like My Trips. Okay, so on the My Trip or My Booking section, you'll be able to see like the options completed. So simply have to tap on it. And now from here, in my case, I have no any recent completed booking. So in your case, it might be available the history which have been completed for your booking. So from there, by selecting the booking history, you'll be able to delete that history from the Agoda app. So this is the easiest and simplest method to delete booking history on Agoda. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.